How to use magnifier and text scaling in Windows. Small text is a daily strain for a lot of people, and Windows has two quite different answers depending on whether you need everything bigger or just occasionally need a closer look. Here's both. For everything bigger permanently, use scaling. Open Settings, Accessibility, Text Size, and drag the slider, which enlarges text everywhere without blurring it. Separately, in System Display, the scale setting enlarges everything including icons and buttons, and 125 or 150% is comfortable on a high-resolution screen. For occasional close inspection, use magnifier. Press the Windows key plus the plus sign to start it, plus or minus to zoom, and Windows key plus escape to close. It offers three views: full screen, a lens that follows your cursor, and a docked strip. In its settings, you can invert colors and have it read text aloud.